Okay, so we are going to hold that pose for an 8 count. But with the 8 count, we will shift into another pose. And my pose would be starting here, and I would end up here. So I'll be and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. That'll be my pose for that part. Then we're going to hit and. Did y'all feel that? Because that and is immediately, you drop down into a squat, put your hands out, and you catch that beat on and. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And that's where you turn. So we're here, we just got finished with our and 8. We hit and 1 and 2. And 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now I do want to let y'all know that coming from out of that 8 count that we slightly grooved into another pose, we are doing this all together. This is what we'll be doing. We'll do and 1 and 2. No, we'll do and 1 and 2.